All right. So I am showing you that we hit the 100K mark, and we have so many people that signed up for the 0 to 100K blueprint that I am not sure we're going to be able to fit everybody in the room live unless maybe I do it on YouTube. So let me know if you have opinions on that. But here's the choices. YouTube, you can put that in the comments. Or I'm kind of thinking of maybe like building this out so you have modules so you can like go at your own pace and kind of get, like go on a little journey of how I went on this journey to hit 100K. So either drop in the chat YouTube live or course. And that will help me because I'm almost done with many of the slides, but I'm getting excited to add more content to it. So since there's hundreds of you, I want your feedback. So put that below and I'll come back and we'll poll, we'll decide by the comments. And I will also send an email out to the hundreds of you that have already signed up for the 0 to 100K blueprint. And let's see. Yeah, so I have the one lesson here, and we have so many people that we didn't even hit this deadline. Okay, so keep that in mind. Be thinking about how we want to build this out. If you want to just do a live on Facebook or YouTube, I have a Facebook group, so we can do that. Or I have the capacity to do a live. I just can't fit the hundreds of you that have signed up. So either let me know in the comments if you want live and we'll just all hang out on the internet, or if you want me to start building this out like I love doing. I'm happy with either. You guys tell me. Love you. Peace out.